Hi everyone, this is Paul Ross of YouByYouDo.com. As you can see today on the videos I've had before where I fitted a wood burning stove, we've got a wood burning stove here. We've moved property, so I've had to put this little one in. Lovely it is, and we'll be speaking about that on another video. What I want to talk to you about today is stoves for your garden, or fire pits for your garden. I bought one at the beginning of last year, 2020, before the old lockdown. I used it over the lockdown period. And it was great. It was a secondary combustion one, so the product's coming off it, the smoke coming off it gets reburnt, so you have a lot less smoke going into the atmosphere, and also you don't have those chasing round your garden to try and keep away from the smoke. Great idea. The only thing was 95% of all of them on the market rust out. So what I did was I invested this year in something quite a bit different, and that is solar stove. I've just got this puppy. I've been wanting it for a while, but they are quite a few pennies. But I've been wanting it for a while, so what I thought I'd do is get one, have a look at it. Right then, so let's get into this. First thing, undo that. There and on there. Now the fire pit on the top of that looks like the same size as the box, and we'll find out if they're playing or is it the same size as the box. So, right, instructions, read them, may do. What's this? Comes with a dust bag. It doesn't come, you have to buy separately if you want an outside canopy for it, but a dust bag comes with it. And let's take two hands for this. Actually, like that. The advertising on the outside of this is exactly the same size as the box on the inside. Right, let me try and get this out of here, because it is. Alright, so you've got, let's have a look at what's down here. You've got external silver or stainless steel. And this is their base. I'll put that on in a minute, we can have a look at that. Okay. And then what you've actually got is the stove itself. Very unusual design for the base. Main reason it's got a design like that is it doesn't go through the floor, it actually goes through the side, the air vents coming from the sides of it. So let me stop this and we'll have a look in a second. As you can see, it looks pretty cool the way it's actually all set up. And the air gets drawn in underneath and then comes up through the vents on the inside, bringing the fire up and round. But as I said, I'm going to be putting in once I light this puppy up, and we can see where we go from there. And so the inside, solid, everything about it. And it does work like an incinerator, so anything you put in here gets burnt fully. And the secondary combustion works from the air coming in from the sides. There, comes up through the base of here, burns all of the products coming off. The products will come off it like smoke, comes out and then gets reignited from the vents across the top here. The oxygen reignites it, so then you have a flame coming out the top, and the flame is quite amazing because it comes out in little flutes, fire flutes coming out of each one of these. And it does look quite nice, and that's why I've gone to save my pennies and ended up with one of these. I'm saying it is really substantial and really well put together. Okay then, next video is going to be me in the back garden with this puppy alight. Take care, we'll see you in a minute. Hello there then, right, solar stoves do say that this can be burnt on decking. So what I'm going to do to simulate that is a bit of wood on the floor, on top, solid, and this gets put on the curve going upwards. So, by the way it works is that's solid and the air comes in through the side, so that's what they're saying. You can use it without burning through the decking. So, I'm going to load this up and we'll see where we go from there. As you can see, I've just done a little bit of wood kindling. I'm going to light that. light on the side with little firelighters underneath on both sides. One there. Push that in, keep it all light. Push that. And one on this side. Really excited about this, to be quite honest. Let's say the air holes on the inside, the air vents on the inside. It takes the air in from the sides, not from the bottom. Takes it out through the bottom here and also from the sides, and it should help once it gets burning fully. Should help with a re-burning the smoke that comes off it. So let's give that a second or two to start up, and I'll put some logs on and we'll see where we go from there. What I also want to do as well is keep the logs below the vents. So the logs stay below the vents all the way round, and with that it's giving time for when the smoke comes off for the vents to actually work. If they're above, you're going to have a problem with the vents, I suppose, not working at all, just because the logs are going to be higher and burning a higher distance. So let's give that 5 minutes and see what we come back to. And I was saying, there's no, now it's fully up and running, there's no real smoke coming off it, which is great. So you're not ever for hunting, running from chair to try and keep away from the smoke. So that's where we are with that. I'm saying, looks lovely. Glass of wine now. Right, that's me done for the evening. I'm just going to sit back and enjoy my solar stove. You Buy You Do tries to give you the best quality we can find on the market, and I think I've done it with this one. Solar stoves. I'm just going to sit back and enjoy this. So cheers everyone, good night. Hi everyone, well this is the day after the night before, and it's just started raining, so we better be quick. The solar stove last night we let burn for over 4 hours. The smoke coming off it was so minimal it wasn't really worth talking about. We could sit really cosy around it, keep warm, glass of wine, lovely. Now, what we did last night was put the solar stove onto wood to simulate decking. Let's have a quick look at that. And as you can see, well, as I can see, hopefully you can too, there's no heat transfer whatsoever. That's because the actual solar stove takes the heat from the stove through the side air vents. Now, if you wanted more information on this, please just click on the link above and go from there. If you like our videos, please like below and register if you want for when new videos come on board. You'll see them just pop up in your inbox. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And yeah, Paul Ross, You Buy You Do, over and out. Bye bye.